ये है अनसेट फीलिंग शैंकी के क्लिप्स, जहां आपको बड़े बड़े पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड्स छोटा छोटा करके दिखाया जाएगा। तो देखते रहिए और सीखते रहिए।
बीइंग अ गर्ल रेबेका, व्हाट इज सिक्योरिटी टू यू? लाइक कि सिक्योर होना क्या है तुम्हारी लाइफ में एक लड़की होने के नाते?
Emotionally, I should have the space to come and I'll tell you, emotional security is me being able to break down anytime without having a feeling that I'll get hurt in the process. And hurt matlab, sometimes the slightest things they say can hurt you while you are vulnerable. So I think just the space of being vulnerable with that person should be there.
कि तुम जो भी बोलो वो पार्टनर तुम्हें जज ना करे
Huh.
और
And I should not think twice before being vulnerable. I should not feel like I need to hide my tears.
कि जैसे तुम हो, जस्ट बी वेरी ओरिजिनल इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम।
Yeah.
कि अगर तुम्हें बहुत पेन फील हो रहा है या बहुत खुशी फील हो रही है, यू आर एक्सप्रेसिंग इट विदाउट एनी फिल्टर्स।
Yes.
दैट इज सिक्योरिटी फॉर
That is security emotionally.
ओके। व्हाट इज फिजिकल सिक्योरिटी फॉर यू?
I think feeling safe.
या, एंड इन व्हाट वे?
Feeling safe with him and with everything that involves him. Like sometimes you are very safe with him, but you're not very safe with his friend circle.
ओह,
Or you're not very, you don't feel safe with their lifestyles.
एंड लाइफस्टाइल में क्या इंक्लूड होता है?
Whatever works for you or doesn't work for you. Like everybody has different lifestyles. Sometimes you're safe with the person one on one, but sometimes the person what जो वो लाता है अपने साथ doesn't make you feel safe. So you're okay with chilling with that person, but not maybe with the family or not with the friends or not with XYZ, like not with work friend. Security comes in whichever space I am with you, I should know that I'm safe.
अंडरस्टूड। एंड मनी वाइज क्या सिक्योरिटी?
Money wise, I think we've just come to a point where uh, I will only secure. But money wise, I think knowing that this much money comes in with your investment and everything, and we're good to retire, and everything that we are doing is for better life and not for basic living. Hand to mouth wala nahi chal raha hai, is security.
When you
I think.
talk about better life, are you someone who is into a luxurious life?
Yeah.
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 So you mean a luxurious good life?
So I'll tell you, I had been to an ashram in Nepal very recently called as Tapovan. Wahan pe I read one thing that was written uh, that said that the best place to live is in a forest. And the second, if suppose forest is not happening, then the best place to live is in a palace. And that hit a chord because we're all struggling for that only. Like we're earning so much money and all for that only. To a point that abhi, jab hum vacations pe jate hai, we go to a forest with a luxury of a palace. We're literally spending so much money to live in nature, but have the luxury of like have the service and pampering that a palace gives you. And it just made sense to me that everything we're doing in between is just hell. It's just struggle. So I also earned that.
So I think मेरे लिए जो तुमने पहला पॉइंट बोला, I think my plan is this कि जब भी मैं रिटायर हो रहा हूँ या जैसा भी कमा के, I want to leave all this and you will only find me in a mountain or in a forest.
See?
So and when it's my thing again कि
But इतने साल काम करने के बाद do you think you'll be able to wake up and do nothing for days together?
So when I say nothing का मतलब मेरी लाइफ में ये नहीं कि देखो मैं काम तो मैं मरते
करूंगा,
दम तक करने वाला हूँ, but
environment change हो जाएगा.
environment change होगा and things will change. Maybe I might not be doing content creation.
You'll do something else.
Something else in a way कि I want to honestly the plan
Business
is
करेगा,
अपना एक
business.
छोटा सा नहीं अपना एक छोटा सा कैफे खोलो, उसी के ऊपर हम लोग रह
इसको
रहे हैं।
बिजनेस ही बोलते हैं.
हाँ, छोटा सा कैफे खोलो, अपने उसके ऊपर रहो, not earn a lot, good, but कि तुम वहाँ पे अच्छे से रह रहे हो.
Does मेरे को ये बात बताओ, when you said security, what kind of security can a girl provide to a man?
Yeah. So for me, the very first thing is support in a way कि जो भी आज मैं कर रहा हूँ, I want the girl to be very supportive with.
ये सब लड़के एक ही स्कूल से एक ही लाइन
नहीं,
बोलते
I'm not
रहते हैं.
kidding. I'm not even
तुमको
kidding.
भी सपोर्ट चाहिए ना?
नहीं, but I'm not kidding. Support in a way कि यार I want the girl to be very okay with whatever
I'm
career
doing.
I have. Okay, and ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि तू मेरे साथ बैठ and talk to me about it 24/7, but तू यार just पूछ ले कि शांकी, if you're going for a shoot, कौन सा shoot है? Just show 5 मिनट का interest. Very happy with that. I have been with girls like that.
Hmm.
Okay, trust me, they have given me as much as I have given them passionately, like
Hmm.
career से related. That support, like on point support मिला है मुझे भी, and on point support उन्हें भी मिला है जो उन्होंने बोला है मेरी तरफ से. So I have met these. I think when you love someone, when you want to be with someone, you might not be that person right now, but you will start changing yourself to be a person that the other person also wants.
But I just feel, I'm telling you from my perspective, I feel like being passionate about work and taking care of the house is just too much responsibility you're putting on a girl.
Yeah,
Like I'm saying, you can have 10 maids in the
for
house,
sure.
but घर पे क्या खाना बनने वाला है वो आके लेडी को ही पूछेगा ना. He's not going to go and ask the man of the house.
नहीं, मेरे घर में ऐसा होता है, मेरे से
हाँ,
पूछते
but I've seen that very rarely. Very good. तो
Yeah.
मेरे घर पे आके मेरी मेड को भी बताओ
हैं.
क्या बनाना चाहिए.
ऑनेस्टली मेरे घर में हम
हाँ.
लोग से पूछा जाता है कि खाना क्या बनता है, तो मेड एंड ऑल हमें फोन करते हैं. अगर हम लोग घर पे है भी नहीं तो हम
Right.
लोग को फोन करके पूछा जाता है कि घर पे क्या खाना
So
बनाना है.
I just feel like even if you have help, the major home decisions have been taken by a women, and that's extra responsibility that we are passionate about our work.
I get
We
your
come and
point.
take care of the house, and we also cater to your emotional needs.
I
Like
get
it
your
just becomes one extra work to do.
I know what you're
हमको
talking
भी वही करना है. Passionate about work, somebody supports us. खत्म.
about. But I know what you're talking about, and exactly I think ये मेरी फैमिली में है ऐसा कि जहाँ पे अगर राशन भी खरीदने जा रहे हो ना, मेरा भाई जाता है राशन खरीदने. So we as brothers in the family also make sure that we are also giving that kind of an importance to everything that the girl is also giving importance to.
राशन खरीदने भाई जाता है. भाई को पता होता है क्या क्या राशन खरीदना
हम लोग
है.
को सब कुछ पता है.
He knows घर पे क्या
हम लोग को घर का A to Z सामान पता है कि क्या क्या आता है.
But
Obviously
you all
हमारे
know कि
मेड,
खत्म क्या हुआ है.
हमारे जो कुक भैया है,
हम्म.
he helps us somewhere कि ये सब खत्म हो गया है. तो he,
Fair.
but we know कि क्या सब्जी आनी चाहिए. ये नहीं लेंगे तो कल अगले महीने तक चल जाएगा.
हाँ.
सब्जी का दाम कितना है अभी मार्केट में, क्या क्या.
You should start a series of this. How men should help women. Part 1.
That is actually a good
How
idea.
men should help women. Part 2.
That is actually, and
हाँ.
as I told you कि for me in my house women का space is very special. I keep pads in my house, not because I should not keep it because I am a man or something, but because any women who comes to my house, उनके लिए कि whenever they wanted, कभी भी emergency में काम पड़
मेरे
गया.
घर पे पैड नहीं होता. मेरे को ही last minute मंगाना पड़ता है. Order quick delivery 5 minutes.
Exactly,
please come.
exactly, and that is the reason I keep pads in my house as well. For these reasons. मेरे घर में pads मिलेगा, मेरे घर में वो जो भी बोलते हैं
Buckle,
buckles
hair
मिलेगा,
clip.
hair clips, ये सब कुछ कपड़े
The
भी मिल
amount
जाएंगे.
of girls that come to your house that you need this.
It is good. I just want to have that space. All my friends, because my place is one of the place यहाँ पे लोग hang out करते हैं.
Yeah.
So for all my girlfriends, okay, I want to create this. And for my sister who keeps coming, for my mother who keeps coming, so I want to create this.
Fair.
So
Fair.
that is the whole deal.
ऐसे और क्लिप्स देखने के लिए आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और इसी क्लिप्स के फुल वर्जन या कि फुल पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए आप हमारे मेन चैनल पे जाके देख सकते हैं. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.